Hello everybody, this is Tucker Miller here again, and today we're actually going to be doing something a bit different. Yep, I'm starting a series where I record church bells from different churches, and here's where I'm going to be filming. Yep, I'm at St. Stephen's something. I know this church is named St. Stephen's, but I forgot the name of the full name. But I know this church is St. Stephen, but I forgot what. But yeah, but I'll let you know in the title of the video. So yeah, so this is here in Fort Worth, Texas, and if you can look up there, you can see a bell wheel. Yeah, and yeah. And you can see the bells if you're in your car, but yeah. Yeah, this is seems to be a very beautiful church. So yeah, and the guy who works here, I believe who works there, told me, said the bells go off exactly every quarter hour. So yeah, so I'm gonna record the 11:30 chimes, and who knows if this video gets so much views or something, I'll come back here as often. Yep, that is the 11:30 chimes here at St. Stephen's. At St. Stephen's here in Fort Worth. So yeah, it's currently 11:29, which that's a minute early. But well, anyways, yep. So here's the church itself. Very nice. And guys, can you please tell me what you just heard? Was those wheel bells or were they electronic? I believe they might be electronic or something, but they could be the wheel bells. I'm not sure. But guys, let me know in the comments, and if it is electronic, what system this is. What kind of system this is. But yeah. But if you guys don't know me, I love hearing church bells. And so yeah, so I figure I've seen many people record videos of church bells. I might as well do the same. So yeah. So yeah, this is a very big church. And you can see a view of downtown. So yeah. So yep, there's a nice church. So yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the bells of St. Stephen's in Fort Worth, Texas. So yeah. But anyways, that is it for this video, and stay tuned for my next video. But until then, see you in the next video. Bye.